Have you just set up your digital signs and you've got your content on screen? Now you need to know the best placement for these screens to take advantage of them and really make the most out of them. The first place you should be adding screens is the entrance and exit of your business. This means your customers' first and last impressions will be of whatever you show on screen. So make it catchy or display something you want them to remember. These impressions have the most impact. If you place digital signage near POS or point of sale area, you can use them to drive extra sales. By displaying limited offers, you can encourage customers to make additional purchases. They won't want to miss out. This can help you increase the average transaction value. If your business has a waiting area, this is the perfect place to add a screen. Customers are even more likely to read and view these screens, and if you display the right content, you can entertain, inform, or get across any message you want. Help your customers pass the time and make their experience even better. By placing digital signs next to product displays, you can give your customers more valuable information about these products and tell them why they need this item, persuade them to purchase, and increase sales. It's always a great idea to add signs in high traffic areas. More traffic, more views. Internal communications is just as important as external communications. So place some screens in employee break rooms or common areas where you can share anything you want. Help create a sense of community among staff and keep them engaged and motivated with digital signage for internal communication. And lastly, did you know you can also place digital signs outside? This can help attract customers before they even walk into your business. Place a few screens in your storefront or outdoor seated area and capture the attention of passers-by with the possibility of converting them into paying customers.